In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the bubble text effect in your design. To get started, open an existing design or create a new one depending on what you want to work on. If you're starting from scratch, choose the size or format that fits your project, whether that's for social media, a presentation, a poster, or something else. If you already have a design ready, simply open it and go to the page where your text is located. This effect works best when you already have some text added to the canvas, so make sure the words you want to style are visible and easy to select. Once your design is open, select the text you want to edit. Just click directly on the text box so the editing options for that text appear. It's important to make sure you've selected the actual text element and not a different object on the page, like an image, shape, or background layer. If you have multiple text boxes in your design, take a moment to confirm that the correct one is highlighted before moving on. After the text is selected, click on Effects. This is where you'll find different styling options that can change the appearance of your text without needing to manually redesign it. The Effects panel is useful for adding more personality, emphasis, or visual interest to your words, especially if you want the text to stand out more clearly in your design. When the Effects menu opens, scroll down until you find the Advanced section. Depending on your screen size or the version of the editor you're using, you may need to scroll a little or a lot, so move slowly and look carefully through the available options. The Advanced area usually contains more specialized text effects, so this is where you'll find styles that go beyond the basic formatting tools. Once you reach Advanced, click on Bubble. As soon as you select it, the effect will be applied to your text. This can give your lettering a softer, more playful, and more dimensional appearance. After applying it, take a quick look at how it fits with the rest of your design. If needed, you can continue adjusting your text afterward by changing the font, size, color, or placement, so the final result feels balanced and polished. And that's it. You've successfully applied the bubble effect to your text and added a more eye-catching style to your design.